Hi guys, it's Miranda here with Doing Life, and tonight I am going to show you my dining room decor that I have for Christmas. So that's what's going on. My name is Miranda, my channel is Doing Life with Miranda, and I am very glad that you came to watch my video today in the third video of the 25 Days of Christmas Vlogmas series. So, thank you for joining me and stopping by and watching my channel. I am very grateful for all of my current subscribers and any new ones that I am getting as well. So please consider subscribing if you're not already and hit the notification bell for some more videos. Alright, so I'm sitting on my pew bench here in my dining room, and I am all like cozied up. It's been a long day. This day did not go anything like I thought it was going to. I thought my Stitch Fix was gonna come, and it did not because of the weather, and I'm just tired. I got home about 4 a.m., so I worked about a 15-hour shift yesterday, and then I just came home and crashed all day. Yeah, so that was my day. Alright, so that is what's going to happen, is I'm going to show you my dining room decor from my house built in 1900. Alrighty. Okay, so for day 3 of the 25 Days of Christmas Vlogmas series, I'm going to show you my dining room decor. Alright, so starting off, my table is a very old table. It's a Queen Anne dining room set, and it was actually given to my grandmother from my granddaddy as a gift. So I am going to recover the chairs and things like that, but I just haven't yet. And then the pew bench back here, my 7-foot-long pew bench, is actually from my husband as a gift this year to go with it. So I really like that. Alright, so for the table, I'm using my white dinner plates. These are like my favorite dinner plates ever because they're ginormous and they hold spaghetti really well. And they are from Pottery Barn. 100% sure about that. Alright, so I have those, and then I have the glasses were actually my grandmother's as well, and they're Fostoria, and for as long as I can remember, those glasses right there were what we drank iced tea out of every holiday, like a fruit tea. So that's what I give my family too. Alright, so I'll come back and I'll explain why I have all of these nativity pieces on the plates here. And I will show you this centerpiece that I made. So the centerpiece is, I took a dough bowl, and I ordered my dough bowl from Decor Steals, and if you don't know what Decor Steals is, go online, put your email address in there, and you will get a deal of the day. And then I think it has 3 extended deals too, and it's like farmhouse decor, and it's all really cool stuff. And it's $5 shipping, no matter how big or how heavy the item that you're purchasing is. So that's really nice. So in the dough bowl, I put some greenery here, and it's got like this shimmer to it. That greenery came from the dollar spot at Target, and then I added my birch logs that my son cut for me. I got those at Earl May Garden Center, and then tied it with a red and white striped string, just to add a little color to them. And these red ornaments came from Hobby Lobby, and so did this sprig right there. So then I just added this little cute antler as well I think I got it at Walmart maybe. And my son, my 15-year-old, or will be 15 on Saturday, he actually put the candy canes in there and they looked really cool. So I'm keeping those. So that's what my centerpiece looks like on my dining room table. The next part of this is I just hung some towels here. I think I got those at Walmart. I thought they were really cute. And this is my favorite part of my dining room. I love my coffee bar. So I always keep hot chocolate and stuff to make a really good coffee. And so I have some peppermint sticks. I got some tea, some what are those things? Marshmallows in a little jar there. These I got from Target Dollar Spot. Who does not love a good Target Dollar Spot? Like, they always have some really sweet, cool stuff. I would just love it. So those are really neat. And these coffee mugs here, one says Jingle All the Way, and one says Sweater Weather. And then some Hershey Kisses, and these stir sticks, you can get those at Target for your hot cocoa. What else do I have here? Some Starbucks caramel sauce that we put in our coffees, and sugar-free vanilla here. That back there is whiskey. So if you like a little whiskey, little nip every once in a while, just come on over. We got some. This is my favorite coffee. I get this in Tennessee, and you can actually order it as well. So if you love blueberry, it smells like blueberry and it tastes like blueberries. So it's really the Cumberland coffee, CumberlandCoffeeCompany.com, I think it is. But it's out of my local town in Tennessee where I was from. And then up here I have just the kids' school snacks. I got some popcorn and some, what are these things called? Nutri-Grain bars. I told y'all I was sleepy today. And crackers, some cookies, chips, that kind of thing. And then in here I keep my hot chocolate with just a little tag that says Believe. The hot chocolate sign I got that little thing at Dollar Tree, or I mean the Dollar Spot, of course, at Target. And that right there is like my favoriteest cake stand ever. I got that from Home Goods for a really good deal because, I'll see if you, I don't even know if you'll be able to tell, but it's like kind of messed up in there. You see that? And that didn't really bother me that was messed up, so I got a really good deal on it. And then behind there is a biscuit board that was my great-grandmother's, and my husband actually repurposed it for her and made it all shiny and new again. And so she gave it to me when she died. Then I added a lamp from Target and put it on a little sleigh that I'd got, of course, from the Dollar Spot, because you find cool stuff there. And then up there I have my cookbook, and those two cookbooks right here, they are from an antique store that I paid way too much money for. I did not realize I was doing that, but I was already committed, so I bought them. And I just added this little garland piece here that I got at a local store called Magnolia's. And then some more. That one actually has a little bit of Di Serono in it because I am a amaretto sour girl. So that's the first shelf. And then up there I have my mixing bowls. These brown, chargers or whatever you want to call them. They came from Decor Steels as well. And I have two sitting up there. They came in like 3 different sizes, a large, a medium, and a small. And so I have those 2 up there. Mixing old and the new again. I got the the marble salt and pepper shakers and rolling pin from Target, and then I paired it with the that copper bowl that I got at an antique store. I love antique stores, they're so pretty. And then up there is another tiered cake stand that I don't use very often, but I do use it some. Alright, so kind of coming back down here to reality. That little house is Hearth and Hand from Target with a little candle in it. Alright, so I'll give you another little view of the table, and that's looking into my dining room. Alrighty. Alright, so I told you that after I did the walkthrough and everything, I would explain why I have these little nativity people, the little nativity figures on my plates for my dining room table. So I decided that I was trying to decide, I needed something on the plates, and I didn't want to put napkins. I haven't found any that I wanted to use for this year yet. And I have teenagers. Let me just stop a minute, because my teenagers, I don't know if your teenagers do this or if it's just mine. Like, they have this thing about silverware. They like to throw it in the garbage can. So I don't have enough silverware to place some on my dining room table really pretty, and then have some in the drawer too. So they would be gone in like a week. Alrighty, and they don't all match. My son's in there, he's laughing. He's shaking his head like, I don't know what you're talking about, man. So anyways, I decided that I wanted to do something different for the table decor, and I think that this Christmas I put I know I did because I'm looking at it and I did it myself. I put these little nativity figurines on the plates, and I'm going to let whoever is sitting at that spot put their figurine into the nativity scene. So I have over on my sofa table, it's not anywhere near my sofa, so it's not, I don't know if it's really considered a sofa table, but that's what it is. I have the creche with Mary and Joseph, and they're waiting for all of the little figurines. So that's why what I'm doing. I just want everybody to take part in building that nativity scene on Christmas morning. So that's why that's like that. Alrighty, I think that is all for day 3. This video is getting out late, so I better bust my hiney in the morning to get day 4 out, since I have to work too. Alrighty, I appreciate you, and as always, thank you for subscribing, and if you're a brand new subscriber, then thank you for joining. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow for day 4. Bye.